Hello everybody, welcome to another question of the day right here in my studio. Toyota Tundra 2014. Can't think of a better place to bring you some knowledge. Hey, today's question is one that I'm sure everybody wants to hear answered, and that is, when can I drive after surgery? Good question, right? All right, there's a couple things that you need to be able to do before you can drive after surgery. This is also dependent upon what type of surgery you have. If you have surgery on one of your extremities, like your thighs, and you have a thigh lift, well, that's going to significantly impact your ability to drive versus something maybe like a breast augmentation or an upper eyelid surgery. So here are the loose guidelines that you need to really know in order to determine when you're going to be able to drive. The number one thing is you have to be off of prescription medications such as narcotics or something like Valium that alter your mind. Obviously, for the most part, antibiotics do not mess with your mind. But if you're taking something like narcotic pain medications or Valium, which kind of acts like a muscle relaxer, it's kind of like Xanax, that you should not be taking when you're driving. The second thing you need to be able to do, the most important thing, is you need to be able to emergently maneuver your vehicle. If you can't swerve out of the way because it's too uncomfortable to do that, if you can't move the car fast in one lane to the other lane, if you can't turn your neck to look behind you in your blind spot, then you shouldn't be driving. If you have kids in the car, you need to be able to drive as though you were normally driving. So those are the loose guidelines. And then the things that are more surgery specific, like what kind of procedure you have, such as like a breast augmentation, maybe your chest is too sore and you can't really maneuver the car to get out of the way because it hurts and you're too sore to do that. Or like I said, if you've had something like a thigh lift, in that situation, you really have to just use your best judgment. So I hope that helps answer your question. It's a great question. I appreciate you asking it. And as you guys know, right here from the insides of my Toyota Tundra, anytime, any day, you ask the question and I will answer it. Have a great day.